Hi everyone, I'm Davidson. In this series of videos, I will share my insights about blockchain mining. Now, I sincerely hope that these videos will help everyone understand the logic and the working principles behind blockchain mining. Hi, today let's talk about IPFS and Filecoin. I don't know if you have encountered the following situation, I hope not. Now, you receive an email suggestion to download a file or click the link. Once you click it, not found 404 error appears. You have been hacked, and the hackers expect you to pay ransom. Your personal information appears on their sales website. Terrible. As our personal privacy has been exposed for a long time in the centralized network, I believe these problems have had a great impact on our lives and work. On average, I personally receive a harassing call every 3 days and spam emails pretty much every day. To be honest, it is quite annoying, isn't it? But do you know why these situations occur? Now, the biggest reason is centralization. The network is centralized, the data storage is centralized, and you can even assume that everything in the network is centralized. It seems the internet is a free and safe place, but there are actually hidden reefs everywhere. An important fact we are facing is that the order of the internet has been out of balance, and it has been unable to meet the current development requirements of human beings using the internet. Now, some people may ask at this point, what does it have to do with IPFS and Filecoin? Let me tell you about the most optimized internet protocol in the 21st century, IPFS. Now, IPFS is an end-to-end distributed file system protocol, which is also known as the interplanetary file system. In the application scenario, the IPFS benchmark is the traditional HTTP protocol. When you open the Google search page on the internet, it uses the HTTP protocol, which most probably you are familiar with it, right? This hypertext transfer protocol retrieves the content of its centralized database through the URL you enter with the sole purpose of accessing information content in the protocol. IPFS defines how files are stored, indexed, and transmitted in the system. That is, the uploaded file is converted into a specific data file format for storage. At the same time, IPFS will hash the same file to determine its unique address. So, no matter what device or place you're in, the same file will point to the same address. Then connect all the devices in the network through a file system and then let the files stored on the IPFS system be quickly obtained everywhere in the world without being affected by firewalls. So, fundamentally speaking, IPFS can change the distribution mechanism of the web content and make it decentralized. Filecoin is an important partner of IPFS, which provides a distributed storage distribution platform for IPFS. For example, if you want to get all the content, including the blockchain, someone must submit the content to the Filecoin network and store it effectively at the storage space provider. Then you can receive the content on the IPFS network where there will be no duplicate messages. Among them, the storage process is also the process of Filecoin mining. As to the specific principles, you may refer to my previous video. Now, there are many application scenarios based on IPFS protocol, and the Filecoin network, which has more than 10 EIB of data storage, which, to give you a perspective, is equivalent of the content of 4 Wikipedia sites. It's pretty amazing, don't you think? Now, keep in mind that Filecoin, as a blockchain project, has only been online for less than a year. in the future, the Filecoin network will become extremely large, decentralized network that can carry all people's data. This is why Filecoin is so popular. And that's all I wanted to share today. See you next time. Thank you.